Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete Safari app from iPhone. Why would you want to know how to delete Safari app from iPhone? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to delete a Safari app from iPhone. So today I am going to show you how to delete a Safari app from iPhone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting a Safari app from iPhone is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will delete a Safari app from iPhone. We can't directly remove Safari from here, so first of all open Settings in your mobile device and then scroll and click on Screen Time. And now in this new screen click on Content and Privacy Restriction and then click on Allowed Apps. Now in this screen click on Toggle button to turn off Safari. And now Safari has been removed from your iPhone. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete a Safari app from your iPhone, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.